So in today's video, I'm going to have a roast dinner. The best roast dinner in Pai apparently. So let's go and try it. I'll see you over there. Right, I'm going to get, I'm going to go to a nail shop. It's just open, so I thought I'd come and vlog it. Mint Hair and Nail Studio. You can get manicures, pedicures, gel colour, normal colour. Anyway, read it. Supposed to do foot scrubs. You do it? Spidey car. You doing a foot scrub?
Today?
Yeah. No?
No, today only hair, sorry.
No nails?
No nail.
Oh.
Today only hair.
Oh. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're not doing that. That's what was the plan. But no more. So here's my local massage place. That's where we get the bikes. Sweaty crab. Oh, look at that. He's got my card, look. Where did you get that from?
How are you?
Very well. We just had motorbike lesson today.
Yeah.
So next time.
You leave today, no?
No. When do we leave? Ages. 10 days. I know. What are we going to do?
Okay.
I have to go on all these tours.
Yeah. Where you can.
We're going to go and plan our day.
Plan. Yeah, you can. If you stay long, you can plan and tell me. I can tell you more information. Go and back.
Oh, 4:30 p.m. Oh, 4:30.
Pai, we have two places see sunset. 100 baht. Start 4:30. นะครับ You can shoot one place. Pai can
It was that place.
Yeah, that place.
I've seen on videos.
Yeah. We have a live music,
Yes,
food, drink,
seen.
นะครับ and Pai Canyon is nature.
Yes.
To walk, climbing.
So that's all the tour information. Okay, I'm here. I got lost, but I found it out. Let's show you where it is. And it's on the corner of this place. Yeah, it's called Buddies Café Bar Breakfast. Best Sunday roast. I've got to get across the road. And here we are. That's it. Right, so I'm getting the Sunday roast. I'll go and pay. It's not the cheapest because it's not Thai. So this is what you can get. Traditional English food. Not British, not Scottish, English, right? Said it here. Official from Thailand. Every Sunday at Buddies. Sunday roast. You can either get chicken, beef, vegetarian or Wellington. I'm going to get a beer with ice. Yes, that's what you do here as well. Beer with ice. I want to take my t-shirt off. I'm only eating this for you lot to tell you where I can get a traditional roast dinner in Thailand, in Pai. I have ice, baby. Ice with my beer. When in Thai. Do as the Thais do. Kampai, or whatever they say in Thailand. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the Instagram. Oh, here it comes. Oh, look at this. This is a vegetarian one. Oh, here we are. Thank you very much. Thank you. Look at that. Got that gravy all over it. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum in my tongue. Nice beef. I got some cauliflower chicken. Oh, I haven't took a photo. I'll take a photo. Proper roasties. Bit of beef with red cabbage. I don't even have Sunday roast at home. I come to Thailand, have a Sunday roast. apart from Christmas. But that was at a Sunday. Have a nice time until I'm back. There we go, I've completed my dinner. It was lovely. Nice having an English roast. But I'm in Thailand so I'm going to eat Thai food from now on. A little bit Japanese. That'll be my last English roast. I might have an English breakfast actually. Best Thai food in Thailand. That's what you need to be. Thai food. Fish fancy roast and pop it out if you're in Pai. So next, I'm going to go to the nail shop, get some nails, get my nails done, and get a foot scrub as well. I'll be vlogging that from just round over there, look. And that on Walking Street. Is it Walking Street? I'm not sure. On the street near Walking Street. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye bye.